Hi there, I'm Michael Coleman, and I don't know what this is, but I think someone's tried to make what looks like an electric Harley Davidson. That kind of thing anyway. Wonder how fast it goes. It's got fat wheels, massive seat. It looks like it's about a year old. Unusual thing. Probably quite good fun, I should think. It's got digital dials. I much prefer analog. The ignition key. Well, the brakes are obviously quite sophisticated. There we go. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that, or found it interesting at least. Unusual thing.